Welcome to our tutorial on using the Libby app. If you haven't downloaded and set up your Libby app, please go to our tutorial on how to do that and join us back here once you're done. The nice thing about the Libby app is that you can search, borrow, read, or listen to your books all in this one app. Let's open our lab. We are working on an iPhone today. You'll notice that the app is divided into two main parts. If you look at the bottom, the library and the shelf. We are headed to the library. If you know a book or an author to search for, head up to the search area at the top. Today we're going to search for Nora Roberts. Type in your search. As you can see, there are a lot of results here, and most of them are already borrowed, so we are going to place one on hold. Select Place Hold. Confirm that you want to place the book on hold. At this point, you can go to different areas such as back to your shelf or to the library. Let's go back to the library. I'm going to go back one more time. Now we're going to explore. This is great if you don't know exactly what you would like to read. So we're going to select Mystery and Thriller. As you can see, as I scroll down, most of the books are already checked out. But if you would like to find a book that is available, select Preferences and switch to Available Now. Now when we scroll down, all these books are available to read. I'm going to select the top one. I'm going to hit Borrow and confirm that. Again, once that's done, the book will download and you have different options. We're going to go to our shelf, and you can see our book is now on our shelf. Let's open the book and start reading. You can swipe either way to get through the book and keep on reading. If you would like, you can tap your screen in the center gently, which will bring up the menu. Up at the right-hand corner, you can go into Settings and select differences such as the font size or what kind of background you would like to read. You can see different selections here. Let's go back to our book. I've decided to go back to my shelf. I'm done with the book, so I'm going to return early. You can select Return Early and confirm. Or if you're close to your due date, you can try renewing the book if no one is waiting for you. Let's go back to our holds. As you can see, I have two books on holds. If you select Manage Hold, you can do different things, such as canceling your hold if there's too long a wait, or changing the length of when you want your hold to show up, so they don't all show up at once. With this one, I'm going to cancel my hold. Let's go back to the library. Let's say you would like to listen to an audiobook. Let's go to our preferences and select Audiobook and keep Available Now. Again, let's go to Explore to see what's available. I'm going to select Popular Books and all popular titles. Right now, Harry Potter is available, so we are going to listen to that. Once you select it, it will take audiobooks longer to download. Wait for your download to complete and have fun listening to your book. These are a few different ways you can search and listen to books, but really have fun and explore and find your own way through this.